One of the main advantages of working inside of the 3D space is to be able to leverage our 2D data, but be able to harness such things as creating sub layouts. So because creating an all-encompassing file of our factory floor, it can be quite large in file size. So by creating a sub layout, we can select the individual features or workstations that we want to include in this sub layout and be able to populate them into their own individual layout drawings. So as I do this, it will generate an actual associative layout of that particular work cell. So as you see, just in the population, automatically recognizing the floor and the factory design suite. But we can also then go ahead and use our auto population tools to generate that 3D asset. So we can either work with the 2D floor plan, or we can add kind of that 3D. Because of the associativity between our asset libraries, both in Inventor and AutoCAD, they speak together and they collaborate in one central unit. So if I was then to utilize my asset tools and generate maybe a new conveyor line inside of this sub layout, I want to see the associativity that my master layout and my sub layout will have together. So I see I can utilize the assets using connector nodes to automatically snap together, kind of that Lego functionality. But the great thing also about these individual components is I can then take them and change a specific width. And so maybe instead of 28 inches, I wanted a 36-inch belt. It'll automatically populate that for me and update all the other components that are connected in that string of components. But the great thing about the sub layouts, once again, is I'll be able to harness all this information, these changes I've made on my sub layout, and have it automatically populate on my master assembly. As you can see here, there are the belts and the rollers that I just added into my sub layout, and there's automatically associativity. So once again, being able to harness the 3D space and then building upon those 2D AutoCAD drawings, but being able to create sub layouts to help me better manage my files and work with a more manageable file system.